Glam Squad presents
5 essential vitamins for hair growth to include in your diet. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the 4 fat-soluble vitamins. It plays an important role in the development of epithelial tissues, including skin, hair, and sebaceous glands. Sufficient vitamin A intake results in optimal sebum production, which helps moisturize the scalp for healthy hair growth. 2. B vitamin. Vitamin B12 uses the formation of red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen to all body tissues, including the hair. Biotin and folic acid. Biotin is known as the hair growth vitamin. Folic acid responsible for rebuilding hair follicle cells and preventing graying of hair and hair fall. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C benefits for your hair are from a necessary property within the vitamin that creates the protein, known by the more popular term, collagen. Vitamin C promotes hair health, reduces hair loss, and improves hair growth. Vitamin C deficiency can also result in dry hair and split ends. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Its other names include vitamin D3, vitamin D2. The actual relationship between vitamin D and hair growth is unknown, although our body produces vitamin D naturally after exposure to sunlight. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a group of fat-soluble compounds with rich antioxidants. Vitamin E can reduce cell damage in your hair and scalp and enhance circulation.